Today I'm going to show you how to make 100% real strawberry coconut milk. Now this drink is refreshing, it is absolutely delicious, and it's only 2 ingredients. Now I like to make my coconut milk with fresh coconut, but you can buy the boxed coconut if it's going to be easier for you. So in order to make this, what I have finely chopped strawberries, not quite puree. And in the bottom of my cup, I'm going to put about less than half full. Because we want it to mix up perfectly. And the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to top it with fresh coconut milk, which is naturally sweet. I'm going to stir it up. Oops. Okay, so here we go. It's going to go right on top. And this blends perfectly. It's sweet and creamy. It's perfect for a hot day. And you can store this in the fridge or you can drink it as is.